Welcome to today's video. I'm so glad you could join me as we explore one of the most fascinating and vital ecosystems of our planet, seagrasses. As always, I hope this video finds you in good health and spirits, and that it inspires you to learn more about the incredible role seagrasses play in supporting marine life. So, let's dive into the world beneath the waves and discover just how essential seagrasses are for the health of our oceans and the creatures that inhabit them. Seagrasses are often overlooked when we think of marine life, yet they are some of the most crucial organisms in the ocean. These underwater plants, which thrive in shallow coastal waters, form extensive meadows that provide numerous benefits to the marine ecosystem. While coral reefs and mangroves often take center stage in conversations about ocean conservation, seagrasses play an equally important, if not more essential, role in maintaining the health and biodiversity of our seas. As we learn about how seagrasses support marine life, we'll uncover their environmental, ecological, and even economic importance. First, let's take a moment to understand what seagrasses are. Seagrasses are flowering plants that grow in shallow, salty, or brackish coastal waters. Unlike seaweeds, which are algae, seagrasses are true plants with roots, stems, and leaves. These plants grow in dense underwater meadows, creating vast, submerged grasslands that are found along the coasts of every continent except Antarctica. Seagrasses have adapted to life underwater and play a fundamental role in the marine food web. There are more than 70 species of seagrasses globally, with the most widespread species being eelgrass, Zostera marina, turtlegrass, Thalassia testudinum, and manatee grass, Syringodium filiform. One of the most important contributions seagrasses make to marine life is their ability to provide habitat for a diverse range of species. Seagrass meadows are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea because of the abundant biodiversity they support. The dense, intertwined roots and leaves of seagrass plants create a rich habitat for small fish, invertebrates, and a wide variety of other marine species. These meadows serve as nurseries for juvenile fish, offering them protection from predators and providing a steady supply of food. Many commercially important fish species, such as snapper, grouper, and flounder, rely on seagrass meadows during their early life stages. The seagrass meadows provide a safe environment for them to grow and develop until they are large enough to move into more open waters. In addition to serving as a nursery for fish, seagrass meadows also offer a habitat for a wide range of invertebrates, including crabs, shrimp, and snails. These creatures live in the roots and leaves of the seagrasses, feeding on the plant material or other small organisms that thrive in these underwater meadows. The seagrass meadows also provide food for a variety of herbivores, including sea turtles, manatees, and dugongs. Sea turtles, for example, feed on seagrasses as a primary food source, while manatees rely heavily on these underwater plants for their diet. Seagrasses also play a critical role in the food web of the ocean. Through a process called primary production, seagrasses absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide, using photosynthesis to produce oxygen and organic matter. This organic matter serves as food for herbivores like sea urchins and fish, which are then eaten by larger predators in the ecosystem. Seagrasses contribute to the productivity of the entire marine ecosystem, supporting everything from tiny plankton to large marine mammals. Beyond their role in providing habitat and food for marine life, seagrasses also offer crucial ecological services that support the health of the entire ocean ecosystem. One of the most important of these services is their ability to sequester carbon. Seagrass meadows act as carbon sinks, meaning they absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. In fact, seagrasses are among the most efficient ecosystems for carbon sequestration, trapping carbon in their roots and sediments for long periods of time. This process helps to mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the amount of carbon in the atmosphere. Seagrasses also play a key role in maintaining water quality. The plants filter the water by trapping particles and organic matter, which helps to reduce turbidity and improve water clarity. This filtering process not only benefits marine life by providing a cleaner environment, but also supports the growth of other important underwater habitats, such as coral reefs. In addition to filtering particles, seagrasses also help to reduce the impact of nutrient pollution, which can lead to harmful algal blooms and oxygen depletion in coastal waters. By absorbing excess nutrients from the water, seagrasses help to prevent eutrophication, which can damage marine ecosystems and lead to dead zones. Seagrasses also contribute to coastal protection. The dense root systems of seagrasses help to stabilize the seabed, reducing the risk of erosion and protecting coastal communities from storm surges and flooding. In many areas, seagrasses act as a natural barrier that absorbs the energy of waves and prevents shoreline erosion. This makes seagrass meadows an essential part of coastal resilience, especially in the face of rising sea levels and more frequent storms caused by climate change. Unfortunately, seagrasses are facing numerous threats, many of which are caused by human activities. Coastal development, pollution, overfishing, and climate change are all contributing to the decline of seagrass meadows around the world. The destruction of seagrass habitats has severe consequences for marine life, as it reduces the availability of food and shelter for many species. Moreover, the loss of seagrasses diminishes the ocean's ability to sequester carbon and improve water quality, exacerbating the impacts of climate change and pollution. Climate change is perhaps the most significant threat to seagrass ecosystems. Rising ocean temperatures, ocean acidification, and changes in sea level are all affecting the health and distribution of seagrass meadows. Warmer waters can stress seagrasses, leading to a decline in their growth and overall health. Ocean acidification, caused by the increased absorption of carbon dioxide by the oceans, can weaken the ability of seagrasses to thrive, as it affects the availability of essential nutrients and minerals. Additionally, rising sea levels can lead to the submergence of seagrass meadows, reducing the area available for these plants to grow. Conservation efforts are essential to protect seagrasses and the valuable services they provide. Restoration projects, such as planting seagrass seedlings and protecting existing meadows, are being implemented in many parts of the world. These efforts aim to rebuild damaged seagrass meadows, restore biodiversity, and protect marine life. Additionally, reducing pollution, regulating fishing practices, and addressing climate change are all critical steps in preserving seagrass ecosystems for future generations. Seagrasses are an often overlooked but vital component of marine ecosystems. They provide habitat, food, and shelter for countless species, help maintain water quality, sequester carbon, and protect coastal communities from erosion. The loss of seagrasses would have devastating consequences for marine life, biodiversity, and the health of the planet. By understanding the importance of seagrasses and supporting efforts to protect them, we can help preserve one of the ocean's most valuable ecosystems. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you now have a deeper understanding of the essential role seagrasses play in supporting marine life and the health of our oceans. Remember, the health of our oceans is interconnected with the health of our planet, and each action we take to protect the environment contributes to a better, more sustainable world. Stay healthy, stay informed, and keep exploring the wonders of our natural world. See you in the next video.